Techno Industrial Products offers AT5030 and 5031 series single hammer rocking dog. AT5030 is straight type and 5031 is L-type impact wrench. Sizes available are 3/8" torque provided by 5030 is 102 Newton meter and 5031 is 102 Newton meter. Pressure range up to 10 bar. All the features of these valves make them your excellent partner in automotive workshop, industrial fitting job, small-scale tire shops, and many other DIY projects. All the impact wrenches have reverse and forward mechanism, which means they can help in both opening and closing of nut bolts. 5030 have reverse and forward mechanism in handle, and 5031 have pin type. Torque can also be adjusted with the help of back switch. Now we are seeing working of these impact wrenches. Just attach compressed air to them and they are happy to serve you. Thanks for watching.